Well, SimCorp deliver investment management solutions to firms around the world. We were founded in 1971. Our headquarters is in Copenhagen, and we are listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. What makes us unique is the fact that we have this one integrated software for front, middle, and back office, and we deliver it among all asset classes. So we have full instrument coverage. Well, from a corporate perspective, we regard North America, UK, and France as our so-called growth markets. We have been very successful in the Netherlands, and today we have a market share of around 70% in the Netherlands, whereas Belgium and Luxembourg only have picked up in the last 2 years or so. And for example, we have had Belfius and KBC as new clients in Belgium within the last 6 months. What is interesting is that where we see the growth in Belgium is mainly in the front office, or at least that is where both Belfius and KBC have brought into our solution. Whereas in the Netherlands, it's mainly in the back office area where we have had success. This has to do with the fact that the front office solution has only been delivered recently, and the Netherlands is a more mature market for us. But we hope, of course, by having these Belgium clients showing interest in the front office, that we can also bring this message forward in the Netherlands in the coming period. These years we see many new technologies in the market, and some of them are regarded as disruptive factors. But at the same time, it could actually also be an opportunity for the ones who are able to embrace these new technologies to help them in this transformation process. I think they will face even more complexity. More complexity in terms of new regulatory requirements, more new technologies, more new instruments like the alternatives. And then in general, I think that we will see a higher and higher pressure on the fees, so thereby the margins that the industry can get. I believe that we will be able to enhance the scope at our existing client base, primarily in Netherlands, to also include front office, for example, and that we will have the same market share in Belgium, Luxembourg as we have today in Netherlands. Many of these clients will be on ASP, I believe.